Welcome on Politricks Watch. This is Serpy. Now, today we're going to be testing the hypothermia. No, another word there. Oh, the big word go again. Hypothesis. We're going to be testing the hypothesis. Right, hypothesis. Right, hypothesis. Right, that when unarmed citizens, you don't need no firearm. Just when you're in danger, call the police. We're going to test it. Right. You see, recently the Berrylium Scotia attack, $23 million was lost. Right. Fortunately, no lives were lost. That's the most important. Right. But almost. See, somebody messaged me and asked me, isn't 100-man station right up the road? Or may I think about one next Scotia? Is there another Scotia further? Oh no, you're thinking about that Scotia. And 100-man is literally down the road. Today I'm going to show you on a map how close 100-man station is to where the incident took place. And then I want to call the police mafia. Right. Tell me how this go. Administratively, I'm going to test the hypothesis. Right. We're going to test the hypothermia. Right. When we're going further tomorrow, back with the Clansman series. This time, we are circle top bunks. Oh yes. Right. We're circling top bunks. You don't want to miss it. Now, I'm showing a map. This map is showing the distance, according to Google, of the 100-man police station to where the incident took place. Before I show on the map, I want to understand something. This is actually very, very conservative. Anybody who know where this happened knows that the time I Google or show, they must say about if you drive at speed limit or 30 kilometers per hour or something. But I'm gonna show it anyway. See the ping screen. 2 minutes. And that 2 minutes is a very slow 2 minutes. Anybody who know that part, I send catch say that not supposed to take. Matter of fact, I can do that 2 minutes on a bicycle. Give me a bicycle and I can reach from 100-man station to that Scotia in under 2 minutes. So police who drive above speed limit with siren, 9 traffic, are reach before 2 minutes. The reason I'm showing that is because where the shootout took place between the Berrylium guards and the licensed firearm holder and the people who robbed the money was so close to the 100-man police station. It was so close that you wouldn't even need to call the police. They would hear the shot themselves. That's how close it is to 100-man. They would hear the gunshot them. Them could have set out from the station without people calling them. All things they probably want to know which party they. And they hear that pretty quickly. Still couldn't get there in time. We're testing the hypothesis. Huh? We're testing the hypothermia. 2 minutes, according to Google, really less than 6 seconds. Right, to get from where 100-man station is to which part the robbery was taking place, and then couldn't reach in time. They could not reach in time. Big shootout go on. Right? How much rounds trade. Police reach after the smoke clear. But about the same security forces said it was the intervention of a licensed firearm holder that helped save the lives of the guards. Not 100-man reached there in time and take them on, but a licensed firearm holder. All I'm saying is they call the police hypothesis. Right. Seems kinda shaky, no? Ask yourself this question. I remind to this. Do you live within 2 minutes of a police station? If you were to check your house distance from a police station, would it be 2 minutes? 100 Man is one of the biggest stations in St. Catherine, right? Well-known station. Couldn't reach in 2 minutes. Could not reach, but you know who was there? A licensed firearm. Yeah, just one. You see, all I'm asking for is for people to be reasonable. I don't know what, you see, people, things that can just sound bright. If I sound smart, nobody will challenge me. No, we're challenging you. You say, right, people don't need to be able to protect themselves, right? In the case of an attack, right, people don't need the ability to defend themselves because they can call the police. So here we have an example of a shootout that, right, me see, right, time lasting from 2 minutes to 5 minutes. Me see one article something about 4 minutes of hell or something like so. Right, so let's just say 5 minutes. The station, according to Google, is 2 minutes away. But really, if anybody know that era, this is under 60 seconds in reach. Easy. Still couldn't reach on time. One time I ask you if you calculate how far your house is from the station. This is something everybody should do. Find the nearest station, right, put in your address and then check distance from the station. How much I want to come in 2 minutes? The people them who 10 minutes, people them who 20 minutes, what got them to know? I don't know. Man, it's not adding up. This is why I say we are test the hypothermia. This is why we are test the hypoglycemic. It's not adding up. This is a game of seconds, not minutes. I want you to think of, instead of the bank robbery, a home invasion. By the time you spot the man in your yard, the moment you spot them, that is when the challenge need to happen. Where you going to challenge them with? Your phone? You going to call 100 Man? Walk them the 10 minutes in your yard? All I'm saying is it's not adding up. Who you going to call? Shane Darling? Who you going to call? I don't know. I mean, this is not going to be a long video. I'm just saying, when people put out these things, we have to look into the practicality of it. 2 minutes, I couldn't reach. 2 minutes. Less than 60 seconds in real life. It's more like a 30-second drive. Still couldn't reach. Just sit down and put some thought into it. How much time you think you have? How much time you think the 87 have? You think him come for wait 10 minutes? You think he's there 15 minutes? No. An immediate challenge. And the only way somebody can have or offer an immediate challenge is if, right, they have the tool that can challenge. Right. Now again, I always emphasize this. Right. I'm not trying to change nobody's mind. You have lots of people, right, who are in the I'll just call the police camp. Good for you. I hope it works out for you. It didn't work out for that Berrylium team. Right. They didn't get help from, right, 100 Man. They got help from a licensed firearm holder. But maybe you'll be luckier. Who knows? I'm just saying, when politicians, when big wigs are going around, right, they go around with people who have guns, bodyguards. They can call the police. You think Umbre can call police? You think the Governor General on the phone? Do you think the Governor General on the phone? What am I doing too much for you, Scotia? Call the police. They can literally drive around by themselves and just start smiling on the phone, and when anything happens, then just call the police. Why not do that? They will never do that. That's ridiculous, because they know in times of danger, right, the best way to protect your life is to have somebody on the spot with a gun. But the best way to protect your life is to, right, take out your phone and call the police. Well, I hope the police is 10 seconds away. You see, we need to understand how the world and society work. People who come for this nonsense, people who tell this nonsense, they're not calling no police. They're armed to the teeth. They have a matic and a shotgun in their yard. Yeah. And FLA gave them no problem to get out. All the time they are convicted by a coke smuggler, FLA give them same way. because they feel they think their life is worth protecting. And the people them who tell us, say, call the police, them not calling the police. And even if them live in a neighborhood that has never heard a gunshot in 50 years, still armed to the teeth. But you will live in a neighborhood where gunshot for every 50 seconds. Them say, no man, it's alright, call the police. Okay, let me say, hope it worked out for you. I was just trying to test the Pythagoras theorem. What happens if I'm 2 minutes away, get attacked? See, the 87 might come toward me, and the station is 2 minutes away, and the 87 is even generous enough to give me time to make the call. Let's say you book up now the nicest 87s in the world, and them say, alright, make the call, and as soon as you hang up the phone, we're going to continue stepping towards you, and the station is 2 minutes away. Are you going to live? No. No. Right. Shane Darling going to tell us, say, but people with license gone dead too. Yeah, security guards dead too. Sure, I've missed them many times. People who wear a seatbelt dead too. So by that logic, nobody wear none. Man wear a seatbelt, crash and dead, same way. So nobody, I guess nobody enough wear none. Man use boots, go around a back road and still catch all kind of things. So no man enough, you just dash your whole boots them, yeah man. Dash your boots, the sneakers and the slippers. Dash everything. Man wear helmet, drop off a bike and still dead. So guess what? Nobody enough wear no more helmet. Dash away. I'm just saying, that's just the logic. That's Starlingism. Anyway, let me say, look out tomorrow. We're circle top banks. Right? You don't want to miss it. Patreon squad big up on yourself. Right? My Patreon squad really big up on yourself. I don't know. Working on, something over there. Right? Really love how the Patreon squad turn out. Right? Big up on yourself 100%. Right? Yeah, you don't know. More like Vulture Squad. Stay circling. Blessed.